Hello guys, so today's date is 7th May 2026 and this is part 3 of our home gardening video. So since we have done already planted the seeds of our lettuce, now we are about to start planting the seeds of our green pepper. So Luke is the one to do that. I'm doing this home gardening thing with Luke. So Luke is the one to do the planting of the green pepper seeds. So Luke is the one planting the seeds of the green pepper.
Oh, I did that one, didn't I?
No, you just did this, so you have to continue from this.
I thought I did that one.
No, just add it.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know why, but it seems the seeds of the green pepper is quite a little bit expensive because unlike the lettuce that had a lot in one paper, we had to buy three full pack of the green pepper to get this small quantity you are seeing in the bowl, right? So it's kind of a little bit expensive. So as a result, we are planting only one per a hole, only one seed per hole. That's what we're doing.
So these are all done?
Yeah. So now it's time for you to cover the seeds. Look.
Yeah.
So cover the holes, each and every hole. Yeah.
And you can come to my house and buy one. I'll get you 20% off.
Oh wow, that's a good marketing strategy.
No taxes.
No taxes, right? Tax free.
Tax free.
Tax free seedlings.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is what we are preaching and talking about. We are entreating each and everyone to start home gardening at his or her backyard. All right, so you can see the label right there: pepper, bolded written, and lettuce, bolded written. So now that we are done planting, we'll be monitoring. All right, we have portable lights.
Yeah.
Okay, because this is indoor, we have portable lights that because we're supposed to be in spring already, right? But day in day out in Winnipeg, the weather do changes. Today you're gonna experience winter, and tomorrow you're gonna experience rainfall. The next day you're gonna experience sunshine and all that, right? So we can't trust the current weather. So as a result, we have portable light to be supplying the seedlings with artificial light in case it needs one, or when it's maybe it's snowing or something of that sort, right? So we are currently done, and we're looking forward to when it's gonna start germinating, and we'll keep you guys posted. So follow us if you're not following us on TikTok, all right? Because there's a part 3 of the video, and part 4, 5, 6, 7, all the parts needed, or all the entire processes till the harvesting will be done, will be posted here on TikTok for you to watch. All right, so